Hey, what's up guys? It is Elizabeth Graham and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you marketing strategies, social media marketing strategies, email strategies, and how to create amazing offers using Canva in order to get people to opt in to give you their email addresses. If you are just tuning into my channel, don't start here. Head over right here. This is the intro to this entire series to help you create and grow your online business. Now, if you've already seen those videos, let's go ahead and jump into the marketing strategies. So back in 2017, when I decided I would start an online business, I started right here in marketing. I didn't have a target audience or a personal brand. I just decided I would just go dive in and start posting everywhere and anywhere that would accept me to post my stuff. I bought every course you can think of. I dove in, and of course, looking back, I would have done so many things differently, but now I know about marketing strategies. Let's talk about social media and find out where your target audience is hanging out. You have to really figure out when you're doing this marketing strategy where they're going to be, where you're going to get the most business, where they're going to see your content. So where are they hanging out? You want to only pick 2 places where they're hanging out and stick to those 2. Having more than 2, you will be so overwhelmed in posting in so many different places like I was in 2017 that you won't probably see the results that you want because you're posting in too many places. Pick 1 that you're gonna go all in, meaning you're gonna invest in, you're gonna learn, you're gonna make sure that you 100% learn that platform and start to really engage with your target audience there. The next marketing strategy is the napkin strategy. And this is where you're going to ask, how can I connect with my audience? How can I connect with my audience in that platform? So I want you to look at this napkin and see the size of this napkin. It's very small. Look at my head. It has to all fit in this napkin. Why? Because it has to be short, sweet, and to the point. So if you look in my actual napkin strategy, you're gonna see that I make it simple. I have my 2 places that I am focusing on, YouTube and Instagram. Actually, this is a platform that I am giving my all, and I am investing so much into it because I wanna learn more about how to grow with video. You'll also see that the next napkin is my Instagram strategy. Instagram is my number 2, and I love it because I can engage with stories, I can engage with my posts, and my favorite right now is the reels. That is the 3 things. So I'm making sure that I'm posting twice a week, that I'm doing stories every single day, and I have 1 to 2 reels every single week, either on stories or on my main feed. The next thing we're gonna talk about is your email marketing strategy. Email marketing is a great way to connect much deeper with your audience. They get to develop that know, like, and trust factor. A lot of people think that email is dead, but the truth of the matter is that for every dollar you spend on email marketing, you will get a return of investment of $40. The percentage of that you'll get back is higher through email because this is how people get to know you more and more. It feels a little more intimate. It's adding value to them and giving them information that can help them with their business or can help them in their life and help improve their life. Now, how do you get people to actually give you their email addresses? This is where your offer comes in. Your offer has to be something that they want and they need right now. You can research and find what type of offers your people want by asking your audience, or you can also research it on Pinterest or Google and look at the type of offers that are out there that people are researching in your target audience. You want to make sure that it's something they're going to want. For instance, if you are, maybe you're a Christian marriage counselor, some of the offers that you might want to look into are 31 prayers for your husband, 31 prayers for your wife, Bible verses to help you get through the hard times in marriage. You can create on like PDFs or infographics or an ebook, or you can do a quick graph, whatever. And all these things can be done on a platform called Canva. How you can connect with your audience using these platforms? Making sure that you're posting and you're being consistent. When you have your napkin strategy, it will help you stay consistent. Every single platform wants somebody who is consistent. They don't want anybody who's gonna post sporadically here and there. They want you to be consistent, and that's how you get favor from the algorithm, is by posting what you put on your napkin. So how do you connect your message to your audience? If you want the short term, you just do the paid ads, or you can do the long-term way, which is posting relatable content, building those relationships with them, and starting a possible friendship where they can just have you be their go-to for whatever it is that they need. Okay, so go ahead and head on over to this video and follow me there, where you're gonna learn about target audience. The best thing you can do is start at the beginning and define who it is that you're targeting.